Hi, I'm Danielle, Face the Future's hair expert, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the R+Co High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. As you can see, Sophie's hair is damp root through to the tip. We're going to apply, I would say probably about a 5p piece, depending on how much hair you've got. You don't want to overdo it, and you can always add a little bit more. So again, we're going to work the product through the hands so it's nice and even. You can see like this. And then we're going to apply through. So I'll bring it to the side so you can see. We're going to apply through the mid-lengths and ends and just work it through with your fingers, just nice and even. If you want to brush it through at the end, you're more than welcome to do so as well, but just roughly. Don't overcomplicate it. Now this product is rich in vitamin E and B5. Both of those are really good for enhancing colour, illuminating the hair, adding vibrancy, locking in plenty of moisture so you're going to get a smoother, sleeker blow dry. It's really good for anti-frizz as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to dry it through and you can see the results.